sweet. So just under the BF Falcon that I just scored yesterday. Had a look underneath the car, and it's got a LSD. It's a 2.73 to 1 diff ratio. So the car's done 245,000 kilometers. Someone put a straight pipe in here. Put the old big muffler in the back there. Big, I don't know, Kobe. No, not a Kobe, but it's a straight pipe. The BF Falcon drives well. No diff noises. No winding in the back. Looks pretty clean underneath. Yeah, a bit of a tidy up on the exterior, but you know, we'll get there. No bump stops. So yeah, we'll have a bit of a look at it and see what we can do to get it up to WAF standard. WAF's out, it's on exemption. It's on hold at the moment, on exemption. So watch the space, and yeah, looking forward to another project coming up on the BF Falcon.